Hey there, fellow bank enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down everyday financial tasks to make your life a whole lot easier. Today, we're tackling something super practical: how to get checks from Discover Bank. If you've got a Discover checking account and need checks for bills, payments, or just peace of mind, you're in the right place. This quick guide will walk you through the steps in a simple, straightforward way. First things first, make sure you have a Discover Bank checking account. If you don't, head over to their website or app to open one. It's quick and often comes with perks like no monthly fees. Once you're all set up, log into your Discover online account or mobile app. You'll need your username and password ready, security first, right? Next, navigate to the Account Services or Manage Account section. Look for an option that says Order Checks or something similar. Discover makes this pretty user-friendly, so it shouldn't take long to find. When you click on it, you'll be prompted to select the type of checks you want: personalized ones with your name and address, or basic ones. Don't forget to check for any customization options, like adding a photo or security features. Now, fill out the required details. This might include your account number, the quantity of checks you need, and payment for any fees. Discover checks are usually affordable, around $10 to $20 depending on what you choose. After submitting your order, you'll get a confirmation email, and your checks should arrive in 7 to 10 business days. Pro tip: if you're in a rush, see if Discover offers expedited shipping for an extra fee. One more thing: always double-check your order details before confirming to avoid any mistakes. And if you run into any issues, Discover's customer service is top-notch. Just give them a call or chat online. There you have it. Getting checks from Discover Bank is a breeze once you know the ropes. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more money-saving tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.